Salam, welcome to this video. So many of you might have been challenged with creating a list that holds like 50 plus columns. You might have resorted to using content types to make it easier to build, but even that can be complicated. In this solution over here, we use the example of an ordering system, food ordering system, which has 3 categories: meals, beverages, and desserts. And for each category, we have various templates. So food items that you can order or food types you can order. For example, under meals, we have burgers, pastas, pizzas, etc. Under beverages, we have coffee, juice, milkshakes, and the same for desserts. Okay, so what we do in the solution is we have one library that holds all of these various food order types or templates. And in each template, we basically have all the fields that will display in the form, okay, that we will use in the solution. So if you were to add a new template, basically we just upload a new template file and semicolon separate the field names. And then each template is tagged with a category. All right, so one of the 3 categories are available. And then this is a basic HTML page that we have set up to, that is basically the order page for the solution. Okay, so we can look at existing orders. You can see over here. And then we can add a new order. So for example, we were to add a new smoothie order. I see the category there is wrong, so let us change that category over there. Basically, we just come over here in the library, change it to a beverage, and then select, we edit, save that. So now we go back over here, click on smoothie, and then we see the form load over here. So let's add Uber order. Basically code, let's say water, fruit 1 apple, fruit 2 orange, yes, say 3 cubes. Add another row, let's say juice, say carrot, and then sweet, now we say 2 sugar. Okay, and let's submit that. That saves it to a list on the back end, which is the orders list. Refreshes. Now see there's the Uber order displaying over there, saved under the correct category and order type. So now we'll go back over here, refreshes, show existing orders. We'll see the Uber order now displays over here. So we can extend on the solution, add the reporting, enhance the look and feel. But what we're demonstrating over here, that it is possible to simplify the way or the manner in which we add different item types to a list. Okay, so if we were to compare this to using the traditional approach to of adding content types, which is adding multiple columns to a list, if this solution had to be done the traditional way, it would have been 211 columns versus the 4 columns we are currently using, 20 plus content types, etc., etc. So as you can see, very little is required to add new different list item types essentially to a list over here. For further details on the solution, please see the description. Oh, one other thing I was supposed to show you is that on this page as well, you can filter by the category or order types over here. So this solution is very much scalable. Yeah, but like we said, we're emphasizing that there is an approach to simplifying the addition of or the management of multiple list item types within one list. Thank you.